that's the little angle grinder itself. Comes with a couple of little bits of accessories. We've got a little hood that fits on to that area there, so you can put your cutting blade in behind it, and you've got various angles you can put it, so it's whatever you like. It has a little Allen key that's supplied, and on top of that you've got a little handle that just simply screws in just on the side like so. So it's quite a nice little tool. And just for the demo, I'm not going to have the safety on because I'm not putting a blade in. We'll just turn it and see how she goes. It's certainly got a bit of power. You can feel it giving a bit of torque when she kicks back in there. And as you can see here, recommending safety glasses and ear protection when you're working with it. Now for the next thing we look at, I think we'll go and have a look at the this little drill bit, the drill itself. And again, we got little protector which we just simply remove, and again you can imagine that I've wrapped that in tape, which I haven't at the moment, and just screw that in position. And I'll grab a little spanner and we'll just tighten it up a little bit. So again, I'm not doing this 100%. I should really have tape in it, but this is just demonstrating the tool itself in action. And I've got a bit of power already here. Now all these tools run on around about 90 pounds per square inch, and I've just simply tightened that up. We're just about to connect the air pressure, and that's it. And we do have a left and right, so we're forward and reverse, it looks like. So we'll pull the trigger and see what happens. Move it the other way. So that seems to be rotating nicely. I've got nothing that I can actually put a drill bit into to drill holes with at the moment. I don't need any holes anywhere. Maybe I'll do another video a bit later on and we'll demonstrate it. The drill itself comes with a little key, which obviously just fits in, and you can adjust it backwards and forwards, tighten up, same as any normal drill. Now, as I said, I haven't worried about putting plumber's tape around the actual thread at the moment. This is just for the demo. I've popped on a was it a 13/16 inch little socket, and we're just going to have a go at taking off one of these nuts, and we'll see how it goes. And that came off pretty fast actually, I wasn't expecting that. And there we go. On the bottom we've got 4 different pressure settings. You just simply push down and rotate, as you can see here. And we're having a look at the air Ratchet Wrench at the moment. It's got a forward and reverse on the top here. I'll just very quickly plug it in. There you go. You can see that that's working quite nice. Now, with the Rotary Tool Bit, you actually get a spare chuck. It's a slightly, is it the same size or larger? Looks like about the same. And I've got the little rotary tool at the moment. We've got a forward and reverse on this one as well. We've got the air hammer gun here. Now, I couldn't figure out what the spring was for before, and I didn't know what that tool was. Now I know. So the spring screws on, holds that in place there, and we'll give it a quick whirl with the air connected. So here we go. So that's it. And to undo it, we just simply unscrew. That comes out. Little tool fits in behind the spring, and you just simply screw that in position. So that's pretty well the rundown for all the equipment. Now on the bottom of the air hammer gun we've got this little knurled protrusion which increases or decreases the amount of air pressure running through the device. That will obviously give more hammering effect or less hammering effect. There's also a little tiny bottle of oil included, so you can actually lubricate the equipment as well. So they're pretty well thought of everything in this kit. Works really nice so far, everything I've tested out, and hopefully you might nick out and buy one for yourself. Available from SuperCheap Auto. And thanks for watching.